Gold testing 4400 psychological area, the third retest of upper trend line of this channel, the 50% retracement of this wave Y. So different type of resistance all coming near 4400 area. That's why it is big resistance. Last week you saw big consolidation near 4400 area. So no major breakout. Traders are still confused. They are asking, is this bottom a real reversal or consolidation before more breakdown below 4K? After all those data, the NFP and mostly last week's CPI and PPI number, I think big change in Fed monetary policy coming soon. Fundamentally, traders are buying gold, mostly big player, macro trader, but they are not taking profit. Because there is a resistance zone here, psychological area. Because before NFP, Kaskari said he cannot wait till September FOMC meeting for a hike. But after all those data, there is no major FOMC statement. And they will not say anything before Jackson Hole speech. So market is patiently waiting for FOMC to pivot when they start talking the rate cut language. So that language change happen either Jackson Hole speech end of the month or in September FOMC meeting. But data is all ready to force entire FOMC to be dovish. So last week data, especially PPI, confirmed there is no reason to hike. That's why seller immediately exit. All hike is priced out. Currently market expecting no rate hike this year. So this is the reason after this spike, buyers are still buying, but they are not taking profit. That's why you do not have major dip. And because of multiple resistance zone area, timing issue, everyone waiting for Fed confirmation in Jackson Hole speech. Because once breakout, either technical or fundamental confirmation by Jackson Hole speech. After that, right now we are testing 50% retracement of this wave Y, currently near 4400. After that, next resistance will be 4800. That is entire top to bottom WXI wave 50% retracement. But breakout from here, spike up to 4800 area. That $400 more spike, they need big shift. So wait and watch either gold technically break out first or wait till Jackson Hole speech. But buyer will only buy, they are not taking profit until Fed start a rate cut. Either next year 2027 or announced in Jackson Hole speech. So these two are level. Currently 4400 the wave Y retracement, then 4800 entire WXY retracement. Like definition say RSI relative strength. If you compare price action and RSI reading, when you compare, then you will see gold is trading like it is breaking above 5500. Sentiment are exact same, condition are exact same, market is behaving same to same, like we are trading near upper part of the range. So that's why on current price area it is extremely overbought. This week again beginning to end, it can continue its correction because big resistance zone, multiple type of resistance on same place, and waiting till Fed official statement either in Jackson Hole next 2 weeks or FOMC speech in September. Verify this move in gold is real or not. If you compare CFT gold position as a volume indicator, then you can see it is ready to break out this trend line. Last few weeks CFT constantly increasing their position. So breakout is not fake, verified by big volume. Not just GDX and GLD, even CFT you can see they are buying heavily and volume is rising. If you watch weekly time frame after that vertical spike, big enough to change industry sentiment, one more green closing, but we are still below 4500. There is a big static horizontal resistance on weekly time frame. Once we have weekly closing above this resistance area, I think everyone will be stop asking, is this bottom or correction before more breakdown? Because this is last big resistance on big time frame before everyone go mad and start FOMO buying. And all the support and resistance, if you combine all the time frame, then weekly have 4500. Closing of this area will be super important. It will change everything. Above that you have 4800. That is daily time frame resistance, the next big fib retracement. Below this you have 4400, that is again daily time frame resistance level. and below that you have 4200 H4 time frame support level. So you have three clear level trade on the support and resistance zone area, currently price testing 4400, and once breakout, first one on daily, then on weekly time frame, ultimately they all will target for 4800. Last big enemy for all the seller. Once it break out, gold will be out of bear market. But before 4800 breakout, you need Jackson Hole speech. Before that, you need closing of 4500 on weekly. And before that, you need breakout on daily time frame of 4400 area. But at least you have clear support and resistance area. Even if you watch monthly time frame, then you can see big B-shape recovery, like engulfing pattern. Gold almost doing full recovery. And now you have clear two green closing because all the data. Latest, last time we get PPI number confirmed, very high chance you have all the necessary information for force Fed to be dovish in Jackson Hole speech. Jackson Hole is going to be dovish, then closing will be green, no doubt. If you see wave countering on highest time frame like AVC wave or possible 135 impulsive wave, then fourth wave correction is over. Because now you have so many economic indicators lower than expected, enough to confirm market. That's why gold breakout, enough to force Fed to be dovish in Jackson Hole speech and ultimately start talking about rate cut. Because biggest news this week, FOMC minute PDF, which nobody read. And last time you got FOMC minute, all the data came after that minutes PDF. Soon Fed will be talking total opposite the last time they said language of rate cut. So if this is the beginning of fifth wave, then you know by definition fifth wave is very aggressive. And it is backed by fundamental, all the big economic indicator. The latest we get PPI last week and all the volume indicator just explain you. CFTC position, GLD option volume and GDX option volume. So this breakout, this spike is verified by fundamental indicator and volume in so many places. Even ETF gold position, ETF inflow, that is rising. There is a big change in industry sentiment. Even Citibank is saying they are bullish silver and expecting $90 price area in next 3 or 6 months. UBS bank is bullish on gold. So big banks are changing their tone. This is one complete double zigzag Elliott wave cycle, something which you will not find in books. So technically it is profit taking, wait and watch mode before Jackson Hole official confirmation, and perfect place to seller to re-enter again if they think new lower low will come and think Fed will hike despite negative NAP number, they can try selling gold. But I just explain you what is happening here. Multiple resistance, no choice but to wait till Jackson Hole speech. After breakout, no resistance before 4800. So this is total $400 price length. Buyers are building their position. This is sideways correction before breakout and last attractive place for seller only to die in September month. Because of big resistance zone here, breakout will be ugly and it need a rocket fuel from Fed Jackson Hole dovish speech. Still for scalper, 4800 area very big place, so much distance. 4400 area current last week closing near that area, and before that 4200 psychological area that can be big static horizontal support level. In case price dip toward that area, you can buy, or if you buy before that, then you will have to enter with your SL or maybe big risk management. But assign gain from here after 4400, there is only one target, 4800. And this is just your sideways correction, wait and watch before big vertical spike. There's a reason for correction since that dollar index update, dollar is doing same to same as expected. A triangle correction. Triangle correction, A, B, C, D, D wave complete. Only one last wave E. That can be last spike, last trap before Jackson Hole speech. I think market will not break down, will not move before Jackson Hole speech. I think they all will wait till Jackson Hole speech. So dollar can stay sideways, do correction, because of that gold can also do correction. But major money flow breakdown and breakout coming after Jackson Hole speech, where dollar going down, because of that gold going up.